Hey everybody, Jason again with my RV inspection, and we're going to talk about this slide out in these cargo bay doors. Got my handy dandy tape measure. We're going to take some measurements. We're going to see why the fix they made was probably not the right fix. So customer brought this in to get this fixed because they couldn't open their cargo bay doors. These rear doors right here would only come to here, and then they would hit the T-molding trim at the bottom of this slide out. But only at the back of the slide out was this happening. So they contacted the manufacturer rep in the area, and he said, just adjust those doors. It'll fix the problem. So when they adjusted the doors, you notice now the paint's off, the doors don't line up, and well, they don't hit that T-molding trim anymore. But what does happen is if I open this door, hear it rubbing there? Now I can't open this door, but I can open this door when that one's not open. Obviously, that door doesn't want to latch properly either. So, I don't think adjusting those doors was the right issue. I think there's something wrong with this slide out. So, what am I looking for here? Well, got a tape measure. And I'm going to take a measure from the floor to the trim here. See if we can get it up there. We're at about 1 5/8 inches. This is the back slide out. We go to the front of the slide out. And there is a difference of about 2 1/8. So the back of this slide out is sitting lower than the front. Why? I don't know. What I know is, first time I inspected this RV, there was an issue at the top of that slide out with the trim being higher than the roof. And that trim was moved down. Now, was something else done that could have caused this issue when they repaired that? You know, we don't know what they did exactly. We just know that that trim up there isn't like it used to be. And now all of a sudden, these cargo bay doors didn't open. So their fix was to adjust them. Obviously, they don't look good that way. Can't be the right fix. This is lower than it is in the front. We got an issue. So, this is Jason again with my RV inspection, giving you a weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. One of my handy tools that I carry around with me to find things. And you have a nice day.